Precision medicine really is the idea that you specifically target whatever's driving a person's disease. In the context of immunology, that's really important because if you think about autoimmune diseases like lupus, most of the drugs that we use to treat these diseases are diseases that kind of non-specifically suppress the immune system rather than target what's driving people's disease. And that means that people get side effects like increased susceptibility to infection and that kind of thing. And also it means it may not be as effective. So precision medicine is this idea of finding for each individual patient what's driving their disease and really targeting that rather than the symptom. Individually, rare diseases affect few people, but when you combine them all, there's actually a lot of people that are affected by a rare disease. So our APDS research was looking at these patients with this rare disease called APDS. And there are two versions, APDS-1 and APDS-2. These rare immune diseases can cause recurrent infections, frequent hospitalizations, and a shortened lifespan. But the disparity in funding means that many of these patients are being left behind. I'm really excited about the future of immunology because I think we're on the brink of a huge breakthrough. As we start to understand the mechanisms that drive these immune diseases and begin to target them precisely, we're going to really change the way that patients are treated, improving their lives and their health dramatically. And we hope that eventually we'll be able to roll these kind of tests out in the clinic and then be able to repurpose the drugs that we're using already in some of our PID patients to treat these autoimmune patients as well. For me, Garvin is really the perfect place to be doing this research because we've got great people with expertise in rare diseases. We have all the resources we need to really be interrogating these questions. We have great experts in the field of immunology, world experts who are leading the world in this kind of research. And we have great links to clinical collaborators around us so that we know that the research we're doing is really going to be able to impact patients when we make the findings.